What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to do a 4K review on Pharell Williams Adidas Jellyfish. Yes, sir, man. And I ain't going to lie. Since, I think, last year, 2025, since we seen the green one and the orange one, the blue one, the black one, I needed a pair, man. And I'm mad because when the first ones dropped, I believe that was the orange ones, I got the Virginia link and I just didn't cop because I was sour with Adidas at the time. They were failing my man Jerry Lorenzo with the Fair Guard stuff. They was doing Kanye dirty, even though Kanye, that's another thing. But they was doing him dirty by re-releasing his sneakers without his name on it and things like that. I was done on Adidas, but I forgot Pharell still was there. And if you've been with the channel, you know all those Pharell, I forget the name of them, I had them all, man. I even had one that said Mama on it or something. I had all those Pharell Adidas, man. Go in the archives, I'll put some up. But I had to get my hands on these, man, so I gave Adidas another shot, and I got them, man. But I'm going to tell y'all one thing, man. I hit the Foot Locker, pick it up, right? I was like, these might be gettable. The next morning I woke up and copped them off JD Sports like this. I'm hearing a lot of people with JD Sports is having issues with the shipping and stuff, man. My heart goes out to y'all. I hope everything get corrected. Either get that $300 back or get this sneaker in hand because $300 is not cheap for a sneaker, man. But we're going to get into a 4K review of this. I already been talking too much, man. Hit the B-roll. Not gonna lie, I don't know how I'm gonna review this. It's a lot of detail in it, man. But let's get it. Unboxing. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that Virginia glow there. If you don't know, man, Pharrell's from Virginia, the Clips from Virginia, Missy, Timberland. It goes on and on. That's why Pharrell does this concert called Something in the Water every year where all the artists from Virginia perform. So yeah, it's like I'm not gonna lie, it's like a classic like church shoe box, but the Virginia glowing right there makes it dope. You also get some glowing somewhere else. Where we at? I don't know, I seen it. There we go. Adidas, Virginia right there. And yeah, it just looked like a regular shoe box. Nothing's crazy, all black. When you get to the paper, you get Virginia in the Adidas logo. Classic Adidas logo. I'd rather just the 3 stripes, but I always like that one too. And here's a 360 view of the Adidas Pharell triple white jellyfish joints. Now, I know your eyes are not deceiving you. They call it triple white, but you do see that cream or that light brown. I don't know what you call it, but I believe that's the part that glows. I'm going to put a little thing there. I put some light on it. I threw it in a dark room to make it glow. So it does glow, man. Super dope. But triple white is kind of like, I guess it's an accurate name, but you do see the little hits of cream or light brown around the shoe. Off bat, I always thought this sneaker looked like a Balenciaga. I don't know if Balenci did it first or Pharrell, but it has that fat Balenciaga, big, bulky shoe look. And that's because of this torsion system. As you can see right there, it says torsion system. Yeah, man, I believe that's this system down here. I mean, it's not for athletic wear. You also got the Adi Prime there, or Adi Prime. I don't know, you know, I'm not an Adidas head, but you got that there. I remember doing a Salih Benberry joint, and it had that in there too. Was it Salih Benberry? I don't know, man. It's been a long time since I did a Adidas guy, but yo, worth $300. I'm not gonna go there, but definitely a dope shoe, man. Let's get to the tongue. This is super dope on the tongue, man. So you got the shoelaces here. These are classic shoelaces. This is straight from the 90s. The shoelaces with the with the little hits on it. These were like straight 90s. You had to pay $5 for these shoelaces back in the day. I don't know if people still going in the stores and buying shoelaces. But I want to get to the tongue here. I want to get to this tongue. The tongue is super dope, man. You get a nice Adidas hit there. Looks like it may glow too. I gotta like really put it in a dark room to see everything that glows besides the obvious. But it reads Jellyfish here. Now I'm told, dope font Jellyfish. And I'm told because of the font, when you flip this over, it reads Virginia somehow. That's something else I gotta look into, guys. Again, I gotta get back on my Adidas grind, man. You get another Adidas hit there too. Looks like it glows. But the way this Adidas logo is outlined to 3 stripes, man. That's just dope, man. Let's get to the bottom here. I guess this is where the Addy or Adidas Prime is. But you see those suction cups there? It looks just like jellyfish. Looks like a jellyfish scale body. Super dope. Like, think of like the thing on the tentacles of an octopus. The suction cups. Man, that's detail at its highest, bro. So it reads Jellyfish in the inside also, guys. That might be the Jellyfish Virginia situation. See, because the I looks like a G. Yeah, maybe, guys. Maybe that is accurate, man. I'll double check and fact check, but that's dope, man. Nice sock liner. The sock liner is white. I hate a white sock liner, but these are clean, man. Triple white. Again, this is the left. The left has the sizing on it in case you're trying to spot fakes. That one has the tag and everything on it. But yeah, man, cool shoe. I just wish I got like the orange pair or the green pair, to be honest. Yes, sir. So again, $300 price tag. That's a lot, especially for Adidas, man. But like I told y'all, when I won the Foot Locker raffle to come in store and pick it up, I kind of felt like these were the ones Adidas was going to let everybody get. Even though they have like the Temu version that looks just like the Pharell joint, I'm sure some technology is missing, but eye-to-eye contest, it looks very similar. I knew something was going to have to fall, man, and it was the triple white. So we kind of seen a decline in pricing or like hype for the sneaker. You started with the orange and then green and then the blue went a little low, then the black went a little low, because I think the black is gettable now for like $400 or $500 compared to like the orange at like $1,800. And now we got the white that's gonna be below retail. I'm sure of it, man. I guess Adidas used this as their Air Force One, as they Nike all white Air Force One, sort of to say, man, but can't be compared, man. This sneaker's fire. You know what I say, buy what you like, not what's hype. I don't like all white sneakers, but this one is definitely, it's keepable in the collection for me, man. Let me know if you cop. Let me know if you having some of them JD Sports scares, man. I'm hearing that UPS is thinking all of it is a scam. It's being crazy right now, but let me know about those stories, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, everybody. Get rich.